Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to write with your S Pen and edit text you write on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So here we're using the feature called S Pen to text. So whatever you handwrite on screen, it'll basically type it out in text. However, I'll show you how to delete some items, or maybe how to keep space, or how to maybe join two words together. So first, before you begin, you need to first make sure you have your S Pen to text feature enabled. So to do this, go ahead and bring down the notification bar, tap on settings, scroll down until you see advanced features. From here, find S Pen, and here you need to go ahead and switch on this feature called S Pen to text. Make sure that feature is turned on. Now, once that feature is turned on, you can press home, go ahead and find a note app or maybe a keep app. So for example, here, I've got a new note opened up, and using my S Pen, I'll go ahead and write down a note. So as you can see, I've written down the Simple Dad. So let's say, for example, I want to erase the extra the. So using my S Pen, I'll go ahead and put a cross over it, and this will basically remove it. So that is how to delete a word. Now let's say, for example, I want to add these three words all together. So I want to remove the space in between. So to do this, using your S Pen, go ahead and put a line in between the words, and this will basically bring those two words together. So as you can see, it's brought the two words together. If you want a space between the words, go ahead and put a line, and that'll basically create a space. If you want to add a word inside it, go ahead and put in a space, and then go ahead and type in the letter. So there you go. And if you want to remove the space, go ahead and put in the space, the line, and I'll remove the space. So there you go, guys. Those are the basic gestures you can use with your S Pen to write with the S Pen to text feature on your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.